Messenger chats not showing this error, waiting for network. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all, check your internet connection and make sure your internet is working properly, and then press and hold on Messenger apps. Now open Messenger app info. Just tap on I button or app info. Now go to storage option. Tap on storage. Now clear cache your Messenger storage. Just tap on clear cache. Now press on back button. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then go to Play Store. Now tap on search app and search for Messenger. From here, update your Messenger apps if available any update version. After completing update process, now restart your device. Now go to Messenger and see chats are showing now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.